morning friends, how are you all? So today my topic is proof of Pythagorean theorem. Means Pythagorean theorem in a right angle triangle, one side is x, another side is y, and one more side is z. So Pythagorean theorem definition is sum of the squares of two sides equals to other side square. So this is about Pythagorean theorem, no? So I will proving, but here I consider as a square, but a square to how to prove Pythagorean theorem. So this is the speciality of this theorem, my dear friends. So friends, so this is very important logic and wonderful logic. So up to ending, watch this video. Definitely you will get this wonderful shortcut for you. Clear? Right. Okay. So before I started the topic, friends, so till now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the bell symbol, friends. Thank you. So now I'll start the topic. So first of all, I consider in the given plane one line. So any line you can draw by in the given plane, that line is called as arbitrary line. That line is called as arbitrary line. Suppose in that line, so I am taking any one point is lies on the line, that point is called as arbitrary point. Clear? So now this point in the given line like divides two parts, not equal parts, two parts. So small length I consider as x and large length I consider as y. So x and y. Okay. So then similarly now I will extend this. How much length is there in this arbitrary line? Same. I extended like that. Again here one more I am taking, like here x length. So arbitrary point again I am considering. So this length is y. And again similarly in this side also, suppose here I am taking arbitrary line, arbitrary point, and this length is y and this length is x. Okay. So similarly this line I consider like that. Again here one more arbitrary point. So this is x and this is y. Now here I formed here square is formed. But what is the square of length? X plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. What is the area of this square? X plus y whole square only. Clear everybody? So similar. So that's why. So now I joined this all the arbitrary points. Inside what figure is formed? Once you observe. Okay. So inside also one of the square is formed. Okay. Now in this name of this square is, outside square is ABCD, and inside name of the square is PQRS. Inside also square, but okay, let I consider, but inside side of a square I am taking z. This length is z, this length is z, and this length also z only. So now actually here in this outside square, how will form here? Like area of square ABCD. So area is nothing but simply this bracket is expressed as area of square ABCD. Okay, this square box is expressed as area. Okay, area of the square is equal to here x plus y into x plus y is equals to x plus y whole square. Next here simply, for example, now here how many triangles are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 triangles are formed. That all the 4 triangles are same. All the four triangles are same. So first of all, I consider one triangle here, ASP. ASP triangle area I need. So 1 by 2 into what is the base? Base is x into what is the height? Height is nothing but y. This is nothing but 1 by 2 into xy. 1 by 2 into xy. So similarly, how many triangles are there? 4 equal triangles are there. Why? Because here triangle ASP is congruent to triangle BPQ is congruent to, so triangle CQR is congruent to, so triangle RDS. Okay, so that's why now here 4 into area of triangle ASP. So then what area I will get means, so completely this area and this area and this area and so this area. Okay, so now here 4 into what is the area of triangle ASP is nothing but 1 by 2 xy. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel, then you will get what? Yeah, 2xy. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Clear everybody? So then next I want here area of triangle inside one of the square is there, no? PQRS. Area of square PQRS is equal to that side is z into z. It is nothing but z square. So this is equation number 3. Now, but in this outside area, ABCD area means simply here area of triangle ABCD, so not triangle, square. Area of square ABCD is equals to, so here area of square PQRS plus 4 into area of triangle ASP only, no? See once area of triangle ABCD, this total whole part equals to, so I consider this inside square is this only, no? This horizontal line is square only, no? After that plus 4 into ASP means this one, this one, this one, this one, no? So see here, this is one, second triangle, third triangle, fourth triangle. So that's the 4 into the same, no? So now substitute the values. What is the area of the square means it is nothing but x plus y whole square is equals to PQRS area is nothing but z square plus 4 into area of square is ASP is nothing but 2xy. Now here x plus y whole square is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to z square plus 2xy. 2xy get cancelled, then finally x square plus y square is equals to z square only, no? So this is about suppose previously I considered this triangle, no? The right angle triangle, this length is x, this length is y and this length is z means, so this is the formula, no? So I am using square but I am finding Pythagorean theorem formula. Pythagorean theorem formula you need to find means I need a right angle triangle, but here I am taking square only, but I am finding Pythagorean theorem formula. So this is, friends, this is wonderful shortcut. Okay, so that's why, so this is today's my class, friends. So in the for the next class I'll come for one more interesting proofs. Okay, friends, until keep watching my channel. So I wish you all the best, friends. Thank you.